Welcome, MW, and welcome again, trading crypto. Welcome, retail fam. Yes, we're gonna do a nice one today. Talk a little bit about markets, talk a little bit about Bitcoin, altcoins, the top 5 altcoins to pump this weekend. So we're gonna talk about the altcoins that got the volume to reach those levels, to make those pumps, yes or no. So we're gonna talk about a lot of stuff today. It's gonna be a great one. I'm sure that it's gonna be a great one, just like every single day. And I think that most of you guys will make the most money. So push the like, please. And yeah, well, let the music run. Share the video as much as you can. I'll be back in a moment. Yes, thank you. So, by the way, yesterday I forgot the music, but you don't need to bother when I forget the music, because if I forget the music in 3 minutes or 2 minutes, it will stop itself. So no more disco streams. So yes, what do I got over here? We got Abracadaniel, we got Mitch, Egon, Richard, Mama, we got Chris, we got Richard, we got Panagiotis, we got Medic, we got Silver, we got Mud Dog in the house, we got Caesar, we got Ernst, we got Amir Rose, my brother, Peter, we got Mia, Crypto, Walid, Lazy, the Romo Koi, Roy, Salma, Natasha, Efron, we got Mohammed Ali, we got Michelle, we got Minkas, we got Top Dog, the moderator, shout out to Top Dog. We got Lars, we got Cole, we got 4 stars, 4-star, we got T-Blue, we got Hans Heinz, Mohe, we got Ricky, okay, guys, so let's get in straight away. So first of all, yesterday, yes, I gave this call of that I was closing 75% of the short ETF. So took really massive profits from those shorts that we nilled. Also, a lot of the shorts that are running from the team has gotten closed, and also the gain trading crip shorts, they closed all of them. So all shorts have been closed, and it was like 30 minutes later and Bitcoin made that big ramp up. I will show you guys in a moment. And why I'm expecting that it's now not the time to go hunt a lot of shorts. It's now the time to go focus on the longs. And you know, it's just like I tweeted also about, in trading, it's all about timing. If you own the timing, that's how you make the biggest gain. So anyone can call himself a trader, can call himself an investor, can call himself whatever. If you don't own the skills, the time markets, you'll suck and you'll lose probably a lot of money. So this is how you can maintain to make a lot of money. So US 500, we broke for the ones yesterday. I told you these guys will break it. It's resistance, but they will break it. It's just, you know, it's I really sometimes I'm really like I just want to get it wrong for one time. It's, you know, sometimes it's even scary to watch myself on YouTube. You know, I understand that some retailers, by the way, retailers, who are retailers? What is the definition of retailers? What are retailers? Is people, average people that are in crypto or in the markets to make money. So you've got the people that are the retailers, and then you got the wheels and the market makers and the VCs and the superpowers and the super wheels and the governments and the whatever. That's above us. And then comes the retailers. The retailers are the people. So just to make that clear. So retailers are the people. So it's really so scary every freaking time how I get it right. You know, sometimes I'm just go against my analyzed market. Just do the opposite of what I say. I don't care. I'm just a human being. I want to be wrong sometimes. Just, okay, well, I expected this thing. Well, it did it. But, you know, it's really amazing how this thing breaks up because this is pretty, this was new all-time high. So this was pretty strong resistance over here. But they just go through it. It's mind-blowing. And, you know, it's what I do for a living. So, you know, I just know that they're going to break above it. I just know it. So for now, this is my target, by the way. I've been showing you guys my target for a very long time now. So this 6 to 50, 6 to 300. So this block over is my target. So for now, let's see if they will today find some momentum to rump it up towards this target. But I think it's a bit early. So I think it will be a little bit of chopping around, but I think that by maybe Monday, Tuesday, or maybe even Wednesday, we're gonna hit this zone. I think it will hit around this zone. And it doesn't have to be precise, but at least, because how much do we got? We got like, yeah, it's not a lot. It's just 2.2%. So it's just 2.2%. So first of all, I think that you should just focus on longs now. Don't focus too much on shorts. Believe me, trust me, there's nobody in the world that nails those shorts better than I do. And all those P&Ls that you have been seeing past year, nobody can even come close to those. So these are just real P&Ls and P&Ls made while I tell you that they're going to be made. So also regarding the short ETF, I'm gonna load it up even heavier this time. So the short ETF now 75% has been liquidated. So it means that we have put it out in cash with massive profits, by the way, really massive profits. And now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna load it a bit heavier. We're going in with 50% this time, and not 30%. So it's gonna be loading up much heavier than, so it's gonna be a heavy short this time. So I'm telling you, this MW short ETF, this is even better than a Bitcoin ETF. This is going to be about the best trading ETF out there, especially when you got a person like me behind it. So you should be worried. When I'm behind it, you should be worried. So this is not the team or whoever. This is me personally. So I am the one making the calls on those ETFs. So first of all, let's see how this is gonna play out. So we had also Japan doing its thing again, and then we got this scammy up, down, and then over here, boom, it went up. So keep an eye on this one. I told you this one will probably rump up. When it rumps up, it will probably be not so good for this one. And that's exactly what we're seeing over here. And when this one goes down, you're probably gonna see it's all connected. It's just all connected. So I planned this, at the beginning of the week. I planned this already. So we had this one, then this one, that one will go up. When that one will go up, that one will go down, and that one will go down. The other one will go up, and when that go up, the other one will probably go flat, etc., etc. And that's basically how to show you guys how I keep nailing all those predictions for years and years and years. It's not based on some tool or some market cipher or some indicator, some EMA or some MA or some fib. No, it's all about connecting the dots globally. Just get them, all of them, and then globally. So that's about DXY. So let me go to about it. I want to show you guys Europe. Europe is just doing what it's doing. It's just ramping up over here. I'll do an analyze also on Europe because I don't have a target on Europe. I need to make myself a target, just like I'm doing. So I need to make myself a target on Europe. And when Europe hits, I think at this moment, the coming days, the US 500 will be a bit more attached to Europe. But we got Powell. The only thing what I can say is until Powell Just trade the 1 hour, 4 hour, 50 minutes, 5 minutes. Make money. Just make money. Just make money. Use the damn indicator, make money. Oh, by the way, it's very important. Today it's Friday, so it means that I'm going to check all the DMs. I'm going to check all the members. I'm going to check every UID today together with the team. And the ones that have been active trading, just like in the description, and putting some volume in, just like an average trader, they will all get an invite to the free private group, and they will to the trading course vids, and they will also get an invite for they'll also get access to the MW indicator. And about the short ETF, how to get involved in that one, we're still working on that, so you just have to be patient. You have to just follow me on Twitter. I'll update what I'm doing with the short ETF, but how retailers can join in with that same short ETF without having to wait for to check my posts. Just be patient, it will happen. But you have to be making sure that you're trading on Blofin. By the way, for the ones that already have or own a Blofin account, you can just DM me your UID and add the text, I want to join GTC. And if you DM me that, my contact can flip you under the GTC community. So that's about that. So let me go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So this basically, when was it? Yesterday, when I gave that call of, okay, we're gonna close our shorts. It was over here. Over here, I gave that call of, we're gonna close our shorts. And you know, it was a massive call. Again, I saved a lot of retailers from getting wrecked. There was one guy, what's his name again? There was one retail fund member. He was in a short of Bitcoin. It was a very heavy short, and he was like, what was it? I think it was something like 77K in profits. And then he saw my post, and he just oh, wait a minute, MW is closing his shorts, then I definitely have to close my shorts. So he liquidated 77K, and it was just like, it was like 20 minutes later, and he told me I would have lost that 77K if you did, if you. That's why it's very important that you follow me on Twitter and that you have the notifications on. And I know I tweet a lot. I really tweet a lot when I'm communicating with my retail fam. I you know, it's just what it is. It's your own choice, because 77K, guys, 77K. By the way, he donated 7K for charity after that call. So thanks for that one. So let's see. What do we got? Yes, we gotta talk about altcoins. It's that simple. So first of all, before we go into the altcoins, I want you guys to see the AI agent coins. So let's first of all start with virtual over here. Virtual is a stubborn creep. It just doesn't want to hit my buy zones. It's so annoying to me. But you know, I'll probably be trading virtuals this weekend. So, and by trading I mean that I'm gonna hunt it up. So looking for some longs. So over here, for example, we broke above it. This could be an entry. This could be an entry. This could be an entry. Let's see if I can make an entry. I'm gonna make an entry live with you guys. Let's see if I can make an entry. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Team, if you're watching this live, I know that you're watching this live stream. You can take a small entry with a stop loss below the indie on this one. Just take a small one. I think that virtual made a nice retrace, and maybe, just maybe, you can make some money. So let's see. So small. Let me see my spot portfolio. Should we do it? Let's see. Why not? Let's just do it. Why not? Let's just do some live trading. Let's see. It's not, by the way, this is not the best entry, by the way. The best entry is at 261. That would be the best entry for this coin. And if it would hold, You see, come back, come down, come down, come baby, come. So over here, this could be an entry. Yes, this could be an entry, guys. This could be an entry. If it's gonna hold it, this could be an entry. And a stop loss just below 259 stop loss. This is if you're leverage trading, by the way. For me, it's just spot trading. So for me, it's spot trading. So let's see. So this is for now. This is what you have to eye. So these opportunities is just like what you're seeing over here. You see this rise up, come down to the indie, and then boom, 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 up. So I'm expecting the same to happen in the weekend, this weekend. But it depends on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is showing really a little bit of weakness lately. So it depends on Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin would just go flat, just calm down, do nothing, just go sit down, and then these coins could make these moves up like 10%, 20%, whatever. So by the way, if you're gonna trade this and if this thing comes up, this 2.8, 2.7 is your take profit level. Okay, so that was a little bit of live trading. So let me go to AI 16. This thing has been shorted to death by the team. So this thing has been shorted really to death, but we're now reaching the bottom. We didn't reach it like perfectly, but we are reaching some low levels over here. So this one also didn't get hit. So, but keep an eye on it, because in the weekend, this thing might find some momentum, and then you're gonna see something like a double, and then maybe up again. So keep this in mind. So this is about AI 16. Keep an eye on that one. So I got this phase that's chopping around there. Okay, this one is very interesting. This one is also has been shorted by the team, as you guys know, but this one is showing some power. This one is showing power. This one is showing volume. So this one, it didn't hit the indie yet, but I think that this thing wants to make another leg up. I think, and you know, just don't underestimate this, guys. Only a move up from here to here is a 50%, 40% until 60% level over here. So keep this in mind. So it looks like this thing wants to, you know, it's showing power, it's showing volume. So AIXBT, it looks like it want to go. It want to go to these levels over here. So let me put an alarm over here, because, you know, it's also what you see is that it just didn't want to get back into the indicator, just like it did over here. You see this one over here? This one, it just came back to the indicator and then ramped up. This time, you know, it didn't even touch it. You see 1, 2, and then it ramped up. So come into the indicator, come in it. Come on. What's going on, bro? Just come in it. So it means that it's showing power. It needs a showing power. The volume is also confirming that. So that's about that one. Let me go to the next one. Swarms. Swarms also same story. You know, you have to see it like this, guys. I know that I explained you guys this already. You have to see it like this. It's a syndicate. It's a syndicate. So you've got our syndicate, and then you got also another syndicate. Maybe it's the same syndicate. And what you see a lot is when they start ramping up, they do it together, and you see like it's a group of coins that has also the same charts, and they pump and they pump together. So swarms also same story, didn't hit our zones, but these are you have to understand that why. Listen, over here we got filled, so over here we made a lot of money. So what if it comes back, make a possible double? It might make that big move up, guys. Guys, I'm showing you the altcoins that will just make the biggest moves. There's no need to go watch whatever altcoins are there. Just go to the ones that have the volume, own the volume, have the biggest move up for traders. Because there's no need to go trade an altcoin like Chainlink, like XRP, like Solana. It's just nothing. because the moves that you're making on the coins that I'm pointing out over here, those will be like you're making like 20 trades, 20 winning trades on a Solana or on XRP or VeChain. And you can make just in 1 or 2 trades on coins like Swarm, like AI, XBT, etc. You can make that in 1 or 2 trades, the same money. So why would you go focus on those others? So that's just me. So Swarm also interesting. I'm interested in swarms, by the way. So let me just say that I'm interested in swarms. So these are the charts that I like, by the way. So comeback swarms, make that double, or maybe it just didn't want to make a double. It's just a higher low and wants to make the next move up. So just keep in mind that this is the resistance level. It's the indicator like you're seeing over here. So this is the resistance level. We already reached it, by the way. Mind blowing. Rejected. Maybe it want to try it again. So let me go to the next one. CGPT. This one is just a little bit. These are the ones I don't like. Then you got like Fala. Fala didn't want to hit my buy zone. Also, it's just chopping around over here. And then we got this Heart. Heart is a problem. Heart is a problem. But you know, keep in mind, guys, that the coins that I'm showing you now, they're not only for the longs, they're also for the shorts. So just keep in mind that the preparing phase has already started. So you have to understand this. All those P&Ls that you see, like 1,500, 1,800, 2,000%, etc., etc. These are massive, massive P&Ls, massive amounts of money. But you have to understand that now they are closed. Now starts while we're doing these analyses to make some money on the bounces up, so on the longs. We are also at the same time we are preparing for the shorts, because on the macro we're still super bearish. Nothing changed over there. It's just how to execute it, how to time it, because yeah, I know. Most of you guys, if you watch any crypto guru or whatever, the crypto guru also the crypto gurus in crypto are all the same, about all the same. What they do is, we're bullish, we're going to the moon. So boom, and then it went up. Just hodl, you're gonna get rich. And then it dumps down like 70-80%, and then just hodl, buy more if you have some money. If you don't have, just go all in. And then boom, and then oh yeah, we're on profits. Don't take profits. We're going to the moon. Just hodl. These are the average crypto influencers on YouTube and on Twitter. So it's always one story. They're either bearish or they're bullish. But you know, when you see that someone is only bearish or he's only bullish, as a trader, you just need to block it. Don't watch it, because he will destroy your portfolio. If you see a trader that tells you, okay, we're gonna go up here, okay, we're gonna take a long over here, yes, we're gonna take profit over here, and now this is the level when we're gonna short it, and etc., etc. And this is how you go in step by step, because these moves up, down, up, down, up, down. This is how the syndicate works. This is how market makers work. This is how they make money, and this is also how I want to teach you guys how you're gonna make money, because a lot of people, they just buy, for example, buy over here, and then they're gonna lose a lot of money here, and then it goes up, and then there are small profits over here, and then oh my god, this is not enough, and then oh my god, I'm down again, and then it goes up, okay, I'm still a little bit of profits, and then at some point this thing will go down, and then this is how most retailers in crypto get wrecked. This is how retailers own portfolios with an average of 70, 80, 90% red P&Ls, and they just don't know what to do. The only thing that they can do is they hope and pray that that coin will someday go up. And this is also something very important. If you're following me, I will always show you the coins that have volume on them, that have money is flowing in them. This is also why my portfolio is 80% trading, 20% investing, because there is no need to go invest in any altcoin out there. The only thing that you have to do is trade. So you go in, even if it's spot or it's leverage, it doesn't matter. Just be that trader. So just when you see profits, you take the damn profits. And when you see blood, you just buy in again. Because unfortunately, this is how crypto is now. This is the new cycle. The new cycle is not about the 100x's, 200x's, 300x. It's just not happening. It's all about making like a 3, 4, 5x, 6x, 10x. you take the damn profits, or you go into leverage trading, you start shorting a lot of coins, and that's how you can make even more money. Because people, they just don't seem to understand that you can make a lot of money shorting also. People are only focused on going up. I understand people that don't want to leverage trade, they can't short, but the ones that can, you're a fool if you don't do it, in my opinion. You're a fool if you don't do it. And I'm the living proof of it, because I've been showing you guys for a year now how I destroyed about every meme coin out there. I just destroyed it. I made more money on those shorts than anyone in whole CT. And you know, it's incredible because you can short the crap out of them. Just full disclosure, it's not me that is shorting. I'm talking about myself every time because it's a bit confusing if I would talk about someone else. So I decided to just talk about myself. So it's the team that executes them and makes that money, and not me, because I don't leverage trade personally. So I educate leverage trading, and you know, it's pretty sick. Someone that doesn't leverage trade is the best leverage trader on the webs. It's really sick. I used to leverage trade a lot, but I'll always speak about myself from now on. So I'm the one longing, I'm the one shorting, because at the end of the road, it doesn't matter who cares if it's me or the team. Who cares? It's about the execution of it. It's about how to make profits and how to keep those profits also and don't lose them. So this is what I'm eyeing now. So the next one will be Ava. Ava is at this moment just ranging sideways. Then we got this NMT, also too high in my opinion. Then we got this Sequoia. Sequoia did touch my buy zone, but I didn't get filled. Oh my God, I didn't get filled. You see, it touched into the buy zone. I did, because I was eyeing it, and then I saw it, and then I thought to myself, wait a minute, did I get hit? And this one I did check. And no, it didn't hit me. Very strange, because I had a buy order around 35, I think. Yes, and I didn't get filled. This happens sometimes, guys, because when it goes down very fast, sometimes your buy orders don't get hit. So I unfortunately didn't get hit. So Griffane, oh my God, this Griffane is also showing a lot of power. So let me go now, boom, to the high volume, the top 5 altcoins that have potential to pump this weekend. By the way, this list that I just gave you has also a big chance to pump, but let me give you guys the ones that are showing a lot of volume. So those are the ones that we're gonna talk about now. Okay, so let me first of all start with this one. This is GOAT. I tweeted about this one yesterday. I love the chart. This was it. I told you, look at the indicator on, it was over here, the indicator on the 4 hours. So we went in it over here, this was it. And well, you could have made nice money on this ramp up. What is this? This is because it held the line beautifully and then it ramped up 8%. So you could have made money on this ramp up, but after it, we got rejected also with Bitcoin showing some weakness. So we got rejected over here. But we've got this liquidity zone over here. You're seeing this box, guys. I'm seeing this over here. This is a lot of liquidity over here laying over here. So this box over here, this box is gonna hit. This thing could go down, but let me first of all tell you that I was a bit disappointed because why? We had this massive breakout, come back. Normally this should hold. So over here we should have hold. So this dump down I didn't like. I didn't like this dump down. So it was directly, oh my God, okay, wait a minute. The bulls are not marching over here. You need the bulls to march. So the bulls are not marching. Now we've got this decent bounce up. So let me put my alarm over here in case it want to break out. But you know, I didn't like this candle. Normally when you see an altcoin really showing volume and power, they will not allow the Indy to get invalidated on the 4 hour. So this means that the bulls are not that strong on this coin. So this was number one. Let me go to number two. Okay, we've got this one. You know, this is the first time I ever heard of this coin. I really have no clue. This is, I think it's a smart contract. Yeah, it's a smart contract platform. I never heard of this one, and it's already listed on Binance. And this one, VIC. So this Vic, this is why I never heard of it. Forget about it. Okay, my head is really turning around now. So this is the previous Tomo chain. So this is Tomo. I do know Tomo. Traded a lot of Tomo, made a lot of money on Tomo. So this is Tomo. So Vic, it's a layer 1 blockchain. So this thing is showing some decent power, guys. Really mind blowing. This is, by the way, a 44 million market cap with 77 fully diluted, and this thing, the volume is on 45 million. Oh my god, okay. Also, I'm liking the chart, definitely liking the chart. So this is what you have to look for: high volume coins, especially the ones that are at bottom formations, accumulating over here. So yeah, we made this rump up, and well, yeah, was this just a fake out, or is this thing hungry for more? Is this thing hungry for more? You see this one, bumpy up and then dump down. So let's see what's going to happen. So keep an eye on this one, trade on the lower time frames. This thing might make a nice rise up, but you know, you have to really trade it on the indicator, this one. So the VIC, a lot of volume over here, guys. I saw Vulcan Voyage also showing some power, this dinosaur. So this gaming platform or whatever it is, so Peer, keep an eye on Peer. It's showing some power over here if you're interested in it. Then we got this one. This one is really mind-blowing. This thing, oh my god, this thing is a disaster. This is an exchange coin, I think. So yeah, whatever. I'm not interested in this thing, but it was showing a lot of volume. And I think that the exchange itself is doing this. So, in my opinion, just stay away from this. Just stay away from this coin. I'm just showing a lot of volume is flowing in. Next one. This is a lot of volume going on, but this is dumpy volume, and this is people. I still am interested in people. I'm still interested in this coin. I think this coin is a nice coin. Also, the things that the team is doing on this coin, I really like it. But you know, it's all about hypes and it's all about gaining momentum. So for now, I'm eyeing this people. I don't know, it's dumping very hard. If my alarms go off, I might look for a nice trade over here. So then we got this Hive. We already talked about Hive, by the way, guys. So Hive is also making that dumpy after that rise up. So yeah, now it's trying to retrace, but also Hive is showing a lot of volume. So keep an eye on Hive. Then we got the next one, Spell. Oh my God, these coins. It's a long time ago, these coins. So Spell, what is Spell doing? Spell is spelling. That's what Spell is doing. So we had this accumulation over here, and then we had this rise up, came back. We respected the indicator really perfectly over here, and now it looks like it want to go again. So keep an eye on Spell. A lot of volume over here also. Look at this one. Let me confirm with you guys. Well, Spell. Let me confirm with you guys. Spell, because Spell, you know, these coins have got like 1, 2, 3 days of momentum, and in those 2, 3 days you can make a lot of money. That's what we're eyeing. Yeah, this is 158 million market cap on a 105 million volume. So I don't know, this Aquacadabra or whatever it is. Keep an eye on it. It's showing a lot of power. So let me go to the next one. ARC, also one of the coins shorted over here with the team. They closed it on the India, I think, and this thing, it looks like it want to go even higher. Oh my God, this is, by the way, the AI rig complex. So I don't know, but you know, it's under nomination for the next strike. You know, but in the meanwhile, you can make some money. You can make some money longing it. If it got some momentum, it wants to go up even more. Just check it. I don't know. Just check it. The indicator is below it. You see, beautifully on the indicator, rejected, boom, down. And now it looks like it want to come above it. Oh my God, this is looking so crazy. Then we got this AI16. Already talked about this one. Then we had this one. Oh my God, I tweeted about this one. Where are all those Rune influencers? Where are they? And you guys all know who one of the biggest Rune chiller is. So I don't have to name his name, but you know, I know that someone told me that they were gonna merge. They were gonna merge very soon with whatever this merge. You know, it's a lot of crap in my opinion, all this merge and this and that. What happened to Fetch IA? Fed was doing great and then they merged and then you didn't hear anything about it again. So it's all just for show. So listen, let's just merge, create some hype, and then let's dump all those coins on those retailers. So that's in my opinion how they do it. But this, you know, Rune, look at this. Where are all those people that were telling you to buy Rune? There's even one guy that opened up a leverage position, a huge one on Rune. And when it hit the top, I openly told him close that position because my team is going to short the crap out of it, and he didn't listen, so he just kept it open. And well, we all know what happened after. We all know what happened. It was over here, by the way, guys, somewhere around here. Yes, I even made a vid about this one, how to short it and when to short it and why to short it. So basically from the moment I made that vid about shorting Rune, that's 81% down since I made that vid. I made that vid on Twitter, by the way. I shared it on Twitter. Why you should short Rune, why you should be bearish on Rune, against everyone else, against the whole world, while everyone was telling me, MW, you're crazy, you're crazy. Yes, I'm crazy. I know that I'm crazy. I'm so crazy that I'm always right. That's how crazy I am. And you know, you never hear something from all those haters. You don't see them again. You know why? Because they're super wrecked. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 82% down on Rune. And this isn't even from the top. I didn't say this from... I did, by the way, also say it over here. This was at the top of the previous cycle when I told you sell all your Rune. But over here again. Look over here. Just from my call over here that I made a vid about it. You know, I never do this, by the way, but I made a dedicated vid about Rune. Why you should short it and should sell it. Look at this. You know, I forget about all these predictions that I made. But you know, when I'm charting it and these coins come into my mind, when I see them, then I think to myself, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, what is going on over here? What is going on? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? So this is very, very, very interesting. This is very interesting to see. So Rune, so yeah, this is, by the way, Rune. I don't think that Rune is a bad project, by the way. I really don't think so. So I think that Rune is a pretty solid project, but you have to know what's going on with this merge. What's going to happen to the Rune token? Is there going to be another token? I really have no clue. Can you even long this? Yes or no? So do some research on that one. But if it does, if it hits this zone, yeah, well, this is time to be bullish on Rune. You know, as bearish as I was over here, as bullish I can flip over here. That's just what I do because I'm a trader. So that's my style. So keep an eye on it, guys. Keep an eye on this one. Just keep an eye on this one. But you have to do research about this merge, please. Because merge, yeah, what are they going to merge? I really have no clue what they're going to merge. So they're saying that they're going to merge. But what they're going to merge, how it's going to merge, I really have no clue. So keep this in mind and, well, just trade the crap out of it. So the next one, there is no next one. No, there is no next one. We came to the end of the stream. I tried to make it as fast as I could. I really loved you guys being here. I didn't see that video. Yeah, it was over here, bro. This is in March. It was in March. You know, a lot of retail firm members that are with me now, especially the ones that just joined us like the past months, you guys have no clue what kind of predictions and nilled things I did past 2-3 years. It's no bragging. It's all on my Twitter because I never ever remove a tweet. So I do this on purpose. And why? Because retailers can see the difference between a scammer, a shiller, and a real trader. Why don't I? Because when I just never ever remove a tweet, that's also exactly the moment how you can see, okay, this guy, okay, well, great. He said this, great. I said it, but maybe he also said a lot of things, and he's just pointing out the things that he was right on. So that's why I never, ever, ever remove a tweet. Just go through my feed the past months, years, and I never, just if you see me saying something, whatever, just go and point it out. Tell me, oh, MW, wait a minute, this one. Because a lot of people don't know that I predicted the Luna crash, for example. You can't imagine how much money I saved people that believed in me and sold Luna around 200 bucks. You guys really have no clue. Because people that believed in me, they sold it when I told them Luna is going to crash. You know, for example, Rune, he told me, I've seen you said it, but I didn't believe you. And I lost a lot of money by not believing you. And when that happened was the moment when I start believing you. You know, so it's a lot. I predicted a lot of. I predicted the previous cycle, top cycle, also a lot of things. Just go check them on Twitter. So what are we gonna do today? So today we're gonna prepare for the altcoins that I just showed you, the ones that are showing some power. Keep focusing on those AI agent coins, because I think that those will gain a lot of momentum this weekend. Especially the ones that I pointed out on volume also. So I think that those will make some nice big moves up, and I think that you guys will make a lot of money based on that one. So if you want to join us, if you want to have this indicator, you have to be trading on Blofin, Bitunix, or Weex. The links are below, non-KYC exchanges. So if you want to trade over there, just go trade. Send me your UID. I'm going to check today. So especially if you're already trading on Blofin, DM me your UID on X so I can flip you, and maybe you can go with us on the next one. Maybe. So let's see, and let's see, by the way, how Virtuals is doing. Let's see what happened. Oh, Virtuals is not looking that great. Is it holding? Let me see. What is Virtuals? We need to go to Virtuals. It's not doing. What is it? Where are you, Virtuals? Where are you? Okay, so now it's really testing. So we reached the level. This is the level. If it's gonna break below, close below it, it's an invalid trade. So this is now the real test. Virtuals has to hold over here, but I'm seeing a lot of AI agents. That's just how they do. They pump and dump. They pump, so they are very strong on the way up, but they are just as strong on the way down. It's just like you're seeing over here. So up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's a lot of pump and dumps going on over here. You just have to catch them. Don't be afraid, and just use the indicator. You're gonna make a lot of money. So I want to all wish you a nice weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna do a weekend stream. I haven't decided yet. So I really hope you guys will trade well. Use the indicator. Don't be greedy. When you see a trade getting invalidated, don't chase it. Just don't chase. Just respect the freaking indicator. Just respect it. Yes. So that's about it. I love you all. Thanks for joining in. Push the like on your way out. And I think that we're gonna see a green weekend. I hope to be wrong just one time in my life. Just be wrong, MW. Who cares? Just be wrong, MW. But if you're gonna see the bubbles green tonight, tomorrow, you know what happened. Have a nice one. Thanks you all for watching, and bye-bye.